how to set a Kydex holster eyelet. Okay, so first you find yourself a drill bit about the size of the eyelet, and then you drill a hole into the Kydex. And then I like to make sure the Kydex is nice and clean on the edge. So to do that, I usually just take a knife and just kind of clean up any burrs that are on the edge there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this little metal thing that came with your eyelets, put it over there, over the Kydex like that, and then take your little eyelet presser. And then I did see a video where he went around the edge and it took forever, but honestly, usually if you just hit it like this and work your way down, it'll go pretty good. And I like to do it on a solid surface, whether it's like an anvil or a vise, or to be honest with you, I prefer a concrete floor, but you'll just go down like that until you can see it's forming pretty darn well. It still sticks up a little bit, so I'm going to go a little bit more. Okay, so there you go. So that's an eyelet, and it can be used in a single section, or you can do it as another section. You can use it to add like pivots in certain places. They are pretty darn handy. Okay, these eyelets do come in different sizes, so if you wanted to do a bunch of different stack-ups, you can get longer ones, and you only curl over the top end. But that's pretty much how you set it. If you guys have any other tips or questions on that, put it in the comment section below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.